jumpstart your car from your phone.
All right. So from here, let's say it has to be battery voltage below 11, so I recommend the force start. Try force start when the car not start. I'm just gonna put it in on position right here. Force start. After clicking force start, start the engine immediately. The sooner the better. If it's still car kind of start, repeat the operation. Okay. As soon as we click it, start the car immediately. So I'm gonna have my brake clutch here, then force start, 10 immediately. See that? Oh man, that start the car. So within 10 seconds you have to start the car. There you go.